I feel broken, I feel alone, I feel empty inside. I am in pain and now at the same time. Perhaps my pain is so much now that I can no longer distinguish it. There is a physical pain like a weight on my chest. I pray 5 times a day, I may go up, I may sleep hard, but it's hard. I have no motivation to keep it going. I don't know what I'm moving towards. My goal and hope have all slowly faded away. I am thankful for the blessings Allah has given me. I do not complain to others. I try to complain only to Allah. At times I feel so bad for feeling this. So what can I do?
You should feel bad for feeling this. This is not normal at all. So yes, you may find, like mentioned in the Quran, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ اتَّقَوْا إِذَا مَسَّهُمْ طَائِفٌ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ. They're touched by a glimpse of Satan. Immediately they remember Allah and they are able to see. So this comes and goes. But to be able to write and describe and clearly state that you don't like people and people don't like you like to be alone, and you're having problems though you pray, this is not normal. Now you, again, coming back to the same first question, work hard on yourself. Make dua, be optimistic, have hope in Allah, have tawakkul, dependence, reliance, and trust in Allah, believe in Allah's predestiny, and open your chest to feel optimistic. No matter what happens, always look at the good side of anything that happens and make ruqyah and make dua. If you see improvement, alhamdulillah, keep up the good work. Do not stay alone. One of the main reasons for being depressed is being alone. But by the way, many celebrities, many famous people who crack jokes and they're depressed. And they run from their depression by trying to be social and everybody's happy. Robin Williams, his name. One of the world-known comics. Very strange person. Very extremely intelligent person. Committed suicide a couple of years ago, 3 years ago. Why? He was famous, he was rich, he was funny, everybody loved him because he was depressed. So you have to look, if my reaction is getting worse, seek psychiatric evaluation. And it's not an illness. Don't be shy. Oh, no, I don't want people to. He's not a VD doctor, venereal diseases, huh? He's a psychiatrist. He helps you in trying to come out of your shell. You try to associate yourself with practicing Muslim brothers because shaitan attacks a loner. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that the wolf only attacks a stray sheep. So if you are with the brothers, or if you're a sister, and you are with a circle of good practicing sisters, hanging out together, going to lectures together, checking on one another, you will always find comfort. And you won't feel alone. But when you're alone, this is when shaitan focuses on you.